Hello everyone, well I quite often get asked what theming I have on my desktop, so in this video I'm going to show you what I've done to my Kubuntu 1804 system with a KDE Plasma 5.12.5 desktop. I'm aware that there is a newer version of Plasma, but I'm still waiting for KDE Neon to be released in the Ubuntu 1804 range. So most of the styling is the Breeze Dark theme, and I've even done that for the terminal as well. So you can edit the current profile and the appearance, and there is the Breeze option here, so even the terminal looks quite consistent with the rest of the system. And I've even gone for the default icon theme. I've been using this icon theme for quite a while now. So if I go across the system settings, I'm not going to cover how I've customised the desktop with the various panels. I'm sure I've covered that in many other videos. But yeah, it's just two different panels, and that's the icon only task manager and the dashboard launcher. And I've got a smaller panel on the right hand side that windows can go under. Anyway, as far as the theming goes, it is the Breeze Dark look and feel. For the desktop theme I have Breeze Alpha Black. Can I say that word or will my video get flagged? Well, I'm sure you can read it on the screen. We have to play things safe on YouTube because family friendly and all that, and yeah, bureaucracy basically. So if you do a search for Breeze Alpha Black, you'll pick up the theme there. I quite like the dark colour with the light edging. Looks quite nice really. One of my previous favourite themes was Underworld, but it didn't look quite right on that smaller panel, that the menus would jut out from the side and they just didn't look quite as good really. The cursor theme, I've left it as a default Breeze cursor theme. In the past I've gone for the Oxygen extra theme set on the cursors and chosen one of the fancy colours. Nothing done on splash screen. The colour theme, as I mentioned, is Breeze Dark. For the fonts I've gone for mostly Noto this time around, but I have kept the Ubuntu font for the fixed width, so like on the terminal. Icons, it's the Breeze Dark theme. The application style, well, under the window decorations, it is the Glow Dark KV. So if we look up that, I think this one is Glow Space Dark. Yeah, Glow Space Dark, and you'll pick it up there. So it's KWin Glow Dark Aurora for style KV Glow Dark. I believe that is the one. Yeah, that should be it. It does have quite a nice colour on the close, minimise, maximise buttons. So yeah, a little subtle extra there. But otherwise they're the white colours, so yeah, it looks quite nice and consistent throughout really. And that is what I do like for Linux distribution. Nice, consistent theming throughout. And honestly, it's only the LibreOffice application that is different, and that is because LibreOffice is a snap. Even the GTK applications do look quite nice here. So if I go for something like Inkscape, yeah, so Inkscape still looks quite nice. Yeah, so that's it really for the theming. Now the wallpaper choice, I've taken quite a lot of wallpapers from Charlie Henson, and you've probably seen those in my videos over time. I absolutely love his work. He does some really fine work on wallpapers, and he's got such a huge variety. I definitely recommend checking out his page on the opendesktop.org website, and I'll leave a link in the video description. He also has a Twitter profile @microfreaks and a Google Plus page, so Charlie Henson. Yeah, so take a look. I'm sure you might find something that suits your taste. That's how I theme my KDE desktop. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all later.